Today we're going to touch on computer systems and networking. In later videos I'll go in more in depth on networking, but this is just the hardware related information about networking. A network is just a cluster or group of computers, and there are four main components of a computer network. Obviously the computers, switches, routers, and a firewall. Computers is a broad term. It is everything that has some connection to the internet. This could be desktop computers, laptops, tablets, phones, smartwatches, thermostats like the Nest thermostats. Fridges are really cool because you can get a live feed of what's inside your fridge, or you can get a notification on your phone if the door is left open. Microwaves. There are a lot of things that connect to the internet just inside your home that are not really just traditional computers. A networking switch is a device that connects all the computers together. In a big company, you might need switches to connect the thousands and thousands of computers together. Computers are connected to the switches by the Ethernet cable. In most homes, small businesses, and schools, most of the time they just connect everything to the Wi-Fi router. Wi-Fi routers are easier to manage. They combine the switches, routers, and firewalls all into one little package. The downside is you have a lot less control just because it's all grouped into one box. But just having a Wi-Fi router isn't a bad thing. So dedicated hardware routers connect multiple networks together. Most of the time it is connecting the internet or internal network to the internet. In places like my college where there's multiple buildings miles apart, so there's like a main campus and then a couple miles down the road there's the downtown campus. The routers need to connect both of those campuses together to have access to the internal network of downtown campus and vice versa. Firewalls are the security barrier that protects you from the hackers and viruses. I like to think of it of like a water filter. You put water at the top of the filter. You put the water at the top and it filters through the filter. The water looks clean at first, but the filter catches, hopefully, all the harmful stuff in the water, and you're left with clean water. So you download a file and it looks harmless. The firewall makes sure that you're not downloading something hidden or like viruses in it, and hopefully it catches everything harmful and you're left with a clean, safe file. Firewalls are not 100% foolproof. All operating systems have a dedicated firewall built in, and all Wi-Fi routers at home have a built-in firewall too. You can buy a dedicated hardware firewall, but they're very expensive. Not really popular for like a home network. But as long as you're not downloading files from a random website, you should be fine. Modern firewalls are actually really good.